In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools with Notion. By the end, you'll know how to open Notion, work from a new or existing page, and use Ask AI to quickly format text into bullet points and generate a month of social media content. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser and signing into your workspace. Give it a moment to load your pages. If you already have a page where you want to work, open it now. If not, click New Page to create a fresh space. You can give the page a simple name so you'll find it later. Inside your page, place your cursor where you want to work. If you have some text that's messy or long and you want it in a more readable format, paste it into the page. This is a perfect use case for Notion's AI. Select the text you want to improve, then open Ask AI. Depending on your setup, you'll see an option labeled Ask AI with a sparkle icon. In the prompt, clearly describe what you want. For example, you can say, turn this into concise bullet points. The AI will transform your selected text into a clean, scannable list. If the result is too long or too short, run. Ask AI again and refine your prompt, asking for fewer bullets or more detail. Clarity in your request usually gives better results. Now let's try a content creation example. In a new block on the same page, open Ask AI and type something like, make me content for my social media for 1 month. Notion AI will generate a structured plan with post ideas across the month. You can accept the results as a starting point or immediately refine them. If you need a specific style or platform, add that context right in your prompt. You can say, make it for short-form video, or keep the tone friendly and helpful. The AI will adjust the plan to better fit your needs. Once the AI provides the content, read through it and make sure it matches your brand, voice, and goals. Edit anything that feels generic, add details your audience cares about, and slot the ideas into your calendar. Remember, AI gives you a strong draft and you bring the final polish. That's all you need to get going. Open the Notion website, create or use an existing page, enter or paste your text, and use Ask AI to format or generate exactly what you need. Keep your prompts clear, review the results, and you'll save time while staying organized.